Hi, friends. Welcome to our alphabet tracing adventure. Today, we're going to trace every letter of the alphabet, both uppercase and lowercase, with fun rhymes to help you remember them. Grab your pencil and paper, and let's get started. For uppercase A, draw two diagonal lines that meet at the top, and add a horizontal line across the middle. A is for apple, so red and bright. Trace your A with all your might. Now, for lowercase a, draw a small circle and then add a little tail or a straight line on the right. For uppercase B, draw one vertical line, then add two rounded curves, one on top and one on the bottom. B is for ball, bouncing high and low. Trace your B, and let your letters glow. For lowercase b, start with a vertical line, then add a big curve on the right from top to bottom. For uppercase C, draw a big, curved line like a crescent moon. C is for cat, so sleek and sly. Trace your C as it waves goodbye. For lowercase c, draw a small, gentle curve, like a smile. Uppercase D is easy. Draw a vertical line on the left, then add a big curve that connects back to the top. D is for dog, loyal and true. Trace your D, just like I do. For lowercase d, draw a vertical line and then a round curve on the right. Uppercase E starts with a vertical line, and then add three horizontal lines, top, middle, and bottom. E is for elephant, big and gray. Trace your E, come on, let's play. For lowercase e, draw a small circle with a line in the middle. Uppercase F, vertical line and two horizontal lines. F is for fish, swimming in the sea. Trace your F, as fast as can be. Lowercase, draw a small vertical line and a curved line. F is for frog, jumping with glee. Trace your F so happily. G is for goat, grazing on the hill. Trace your G with a giggle and thrill. Lowercase, a circle with a tail. H is for horse, galloping with grace. Trace your H at a happy pace. I is for igloo, icy and cool. Trace your I like a sparkling jewel. J is for jelly, wiggly and fun. Trace your J until you're done. K is for kite, flying up high. Trace your K and reach for the sky. L is for lion, brave and bold. Trace your L, a sight to behold. M is for monkey, swinging in a tree. Trace your M with energy. N is for nest, cozy and neat. Trace your N, what a lovely feat. O is for octopus, with arms that sway. Trace your O in a circle today. P is for pig, rolling in the mud. Trace your P, give it a good thud. Q is for queen, so regal and kind. Trace your Q and see what you find. R is for rabbit, hopping so fast. Trace your R until you've passed. S is for snake, slithering along. Trace your S with a gentle song. T is for tiger, with stripes so grand. Trace your T with a steady hand. U is for umbrella, keeping us dry. Trace your U and reach for the sky. V is for van, driving on the street. Trace your V, it's really neat. W is for whale, big and blue. Trace your W, just me and you. X is for xylophone, making music so fine. Trace your X and let your star shine. Y is for yak, with a fluffy mane. Trace your Y, again and again. Z is for zebra, with stripes so cool. Trace your Z like a sparkling jewel. Great job, everyone! You've traced and rhymed from A to Z. Keep practicing your letters, and soon you'll be an alphabet expert. Remember to have fun and share your tracing with a big smile.